Hi everyone, competition time here on Classroom Kitchen. Mr. D's back in the kitchen, and what I am doing today, I'm making a superhero smoothie. Now, listen up for the competition and what you've got to do, okay, because we've got some prizes to give away. We've got Amazon vouchers, we've got our recipe book, our own recipe book to give away. Okay, that's 45 different recipes for you to have a go at home. We've even got a special marble prize for the actual winner. Okay, so this is a really, really cool competition for today. Okay, now what I'm going to do is making some smoothies. I've got a couple on the go. This is what you've got to do at home. You've got to send me a photo, okay, of an A4 design telling me either what ingredients are going into your smoothie. So I want to see fruits, vegetables, healthy stuff in there. You can have one treat food going in there. Okay, so one sugary extra. Then you need milk, juice, water, some sort of liquid, okay, to make your smoothie from. Now, blend those up and send me the recipe for that, so you can either write the recipe, you could make the recipe yourself, so you could actually make what you design, so you can make your smoothie and then tell me what the ingredients are. But what you've got to do is you've got to put the superhero twist on it. You've got to tell me which superhero you're making it for, and you've got to tell me why you've chosen those ingredients. So you can't just put in any ingredients you want. You've got to tell me what are they to that superhero that you've chosen. Now, if you want to, it doesn't have to be a superhero that's already created. Okay, that's not from the DC world, the Marvel world, something like that. It could be a superhero of your creation. So if you want to, draw me your superhero, okay, tell me what their powers are, show me what their outfit looks like, and tell me why you've chosen those fruits, those vegetables, those ingredients for that superhero in particular. Okay, so you can either create your own or you can use one that's already created. I'm going to show you one today from a couple that are already created. Okay, so just to give you a few ideas of what I mean. So watch this video. It's not a very long video, but it's going to give you an idea. Okay, so for this one, this particular one I have done for Spider-Man. Okay, what I've got in there, I've got some reds and blues for his costume design. So I've got some raspberries, I've got some blueberries, I've got some strawberries in there too. Okay, what I'm going to add in there, I'm going to add in some milk. So we'll get that little bit of milk into it. So it's like a milkshake. But then my special ingredients, so that's my fruits. I've got strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. I'm going to put in some marshmallows, okay? Marshmallows like his spider webs. So if you pull them like his thing, they're sticky, they're gooey. I'm going to throw a couple of those in there. Okay, and I'm going to be blending those up in a second. Now, the other side of it, the other one that I'm going to do, I've done a Spider-Man one there for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do another one. I'm going to go over to the Batman world, okay, and I'm actually going to do a super villain for this one. I'm going to do Poison Ivy, okay, so she's got all these plants, she grows all these different creations, and she's got that horrible poison twist to her, okay, that makes her the villain in the series. So we've got some raspberries, which have got like quite a sharp flavour, okay, which I associate that with that sharpness, with that super villain. We've put some apple in there, okay, because she does grow, and when you think of things that grow, you know, you've got that apple, that's like the creation, that's like the symbol of growth, isn't it? Okay, so we've got apple, we've got some raspberry, sharp. What I'm going to put in there, I'm going to put some mint in there, okay, so I've got some mint leaves, I'm going to put them in there. Just like on her character, she's got loads of leaves that grow on her, okay, she's got that poison twist to it. I'm going to put in some watermelon, okay, so that's what I've done there, I've chopped a little bit of watermelon. So it's the pink that she associates with herself. So I'm looking at her colours are like pink, greens, reds, okay, so we put some watermelon in there. I'm going to put a little bit of lime juice in there, that's that sharpness again. So this one's a bit of a tangier, sour creation for Poison Ivy. So I'm going to squeeze a bit of lime juice in there. Okay, get that lime juice in. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in a little bit of tropical juice, because I just think like she would have all these different fruits and flavours and things like that. So I'm going to use some tropical fruit juice for this one. So I'm going to blend this one up first. I'm going to show you what my twist is. I've not put a sugary extra in yet. I can put a sugary extra in if I want to, and I will do, but I'll do that bit in a second. So poison ivy, let's make hers. Doesn't just have to be one from, it could be a superhero. It could be a superhero from something like The Incredibles, so a Disney superhero. It could be after a TV show. So you blend it, give it a shake. It's always interesting to see what colour the smoothie goes. That should do that, okay. That's really interesting. The colour's nice pink colour, got a few sharp greens in there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get a glass, my favourite glass. What I'm actually going to add in some, I'm going to add in some strawberry laces, okay. I'm going to put them at the bottom to start off with, okay. So put a couple of those at the bottom of my glass. I'm going to pour over my juice, strawberry laces, that sourness, that fruity look again with the poison ivy idea. Pouring that. There's a real strong smell of mint coming from this. I'm going to finish off, I'm going to put a couple of these hanging out of the strawberry out of my smoothie. That's my little treat, my little extra. There they are, and I'm just going to finish it off by decorating it with a couple of mint leaves on the top. Now, you could send me a photo like that, and you could tell me on the photo the ingredients like I've just done, what's gone in it, okay, why you've put those in there, so the sourness, the sharpness of the character, she's a villain, okay, the colours that match her costume, her outfit, what she looks like, so you can do it like that. Just like with this one, okay, I've done this one second because I'm expecting the marshmallows to get a little bit gooey around the blade, so let's give that one a mix up. This is the Spider-Man one. We put the marshmallows in, remember the marshmallows are his webs, that idea. Give that a mix up. You heard the blade catching the marshmallows then. So there we go. But I could use all sorts, I could put yogurt in it, it doesn't have to be milk. So I could have done like a Captain America one with blue, red, white. Okay, I could have used some yogurt to make that white colour. So let's put this in. Oh, you can see all the different shades of colour that sparks through that. Okay, which is a great like sort of spidey sort of colours. Get that in there. Finish it off with a few marshmallows. I might crunch them up a little bit so they're a little bit gooey and sticky. Just drop them on the top. What I can do to drink that, I can get a straw in it, something like that. But you guys, okay, I want you to be as creative as you can be. Like I said, lots of prizes to give away, lots of treats, okay. There's a little, so we've got a Spider-Man smoothie, we've got a poison ivy smoothie. See what you guys can come up with at home. Send me your different things. Remember, you can draw it on a sheet if you don't have time to make it or you don't have the ingredients. You can send me a photo with the ingredients and why you've done them. You must tell me why you have chosen those ingredients. That's really important. You can design your own superhero if you don't want to use one that's already out there. And you can just draw me a picture of them, tell them about the powers that she or he has, and explain why you've chosen that smoothie for that character. So over to you guys. We've got until Monday. We're going to be doing the draw on Monday. Okay, so as long as you get them in by Sunday night, I'm going to be doing this draw on Monday morning. Okay, so you've got the whole weekend to have a go at this. So it's by Sunday night, 7 PM. That's when you've got to get them in for me. Okay, and then by Monday morning, we'll find out who's the winner. Prizes are to be won. Amazon vouchers, recipe books, Marvel superhero goodies. Okay, over to you guys. Off you go.